Okay everyone, today is the day that I'm going to share my primary bath makeover. So I have joined up with 2 other YouTubers and they are going to be sharing their room makeovers as well. So you're going to get tons of decorating ideas. And so I teamed up with Chanel from Angelic Interior Designs. As well as Trina from Decorating Made Easy by Trina.
So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I love to share home decor videos on my channel, so I would love to have you stay subscribed.
Both ladies are talented, so you guys are in for a treat. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share with you today how I just added a few little touches to give a more updated feel to a 90s bathroom. So I started with this refresh a couple years ago. I started here with the vanity cabinet and this chair. You guys might remember I shared this, I believe it was a Mother's Day retreat makeover. And so I had the other areas to finish as well, but I never really got to them until now. So the cabinets were originally white, and then I put a brown wash on them, but I was tired of that distressed look, and so I decided to paint them out in this cream color. The handles were oil rub bronze, and I just switched them out in the silver so that there wouldn't be such a contrast between the knobs and the cabinetry. Now these sinks are a standard height, so we decided to give the sinks a raised look by adding a vessel sink. So we had the white countertops with the drop-in sink, and with the height of the cabinet, it made it pretty low to bend down to wash your face. So this was a great solution to adding a little height to the shorter cabinets. So back then our walls were tan, and so that just made the tile look that much more dated. We painted the walls gray. At that time, gray was trending, and so we thought that was another great solution. We also put a frame around the builder grade mirrors, and then that just helped to give the mirrors a little bit of character. And at that time, the lights had an oil rub bronze finish, and then the globes were like a yellowy, kind of a warm yellow color. And so to give that light fixture an update, I just went ahead and did a little light wash on the globes, and then I spray painted the base in silver. Okay, so this is what they look like without the lights on. So my goal was to lighten up some of this beige color because we had so much of it. The shower being beige, and then the tub surround being beige, as well as the floor. And so that's when I decided to lighten up some of my accessories as well as the wall and the cabinetry, just to give that beige a little pop. Okay, so now that you have a little back history on the room, let's go ahead and decorate the space and see how it all came together.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. fairies when they sing and dance. Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Later, it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
So guys, this robe is the bomb. Now it doesn't look like much, but when you put this robe on, it feels like a heated blanket. This is from Target and it is so soft. Yeah, Target, they did good with that one.
Trouble in your mind. Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. We have arrived at the end of this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to visit the other ladies so you can have more decorating ideas for your home.
Trouble in your mind, babe, why can't you just